So, what are you folks going to have for Thanksgiving? Is it going to be turkey? Or is it going to be beef? Is it going to be lamb? Duck? Tell me in the comments, what is it that you guys are going to have for Thanksgiving? Is it going to be an emu? Everybody has their own festive meat for Thanksgiving. So, what is it going to be in your family this year? I think we're just going to go for the bird. The bird's going to get the hatchet. So, it's probably not going to be a big bird, though. There's too much meat there for our little family. So, we just have a turkey. So, going to do a barbecue. Check out this barbecue. It's a pellet stove. Oh, so good. Smoked, delicious.